Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2026 Tesla Model Y full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film, and also a full window film XR Plus, 70 the front and 30 all the way around and 30 on the panoramic roof. Let's take a walk around this car. We'll start over here in the front to go over the install for the paint protection film and see how we did here. So it's already been all cleaned up after the install, QC to check all our edges, corners, anything for something that needs to be attended to. So here we are at the front, and just like always, when we wrap it, all our fenders, our hoods, everything, every panel is going to get wrapped in. So when you get to the front here, all this, there's no edges exposed on the outside. You don't want edges on the outside because as you own it, or towel drying the car, weather, car washes, if you use them, you'll compromise an edge if it's on top. So all of our edges at Clearbrow, North Dallas go underneath. So you'll see this fender and the hood are fully wrapped 100%. This fender gets wrapped in around the A-pillar. The A-pillar itself is wrapped in, and it goes all the way up and around in one piece. Our mirrors get all done in one piece. This fender, the camera comes out. Everything's all in one section. Under this plastic goes the film, so it's not exposed, and the bumper as well. And the whole bumper is wrapped in every edge all the way around. Coming around on this passenger side, much more of the same work. Fully wrapped, all these corners, fully wrapped. No edges, they're all underneath, so you'll never compromise them. The film will always be like this. Our doors, all four edges up top, side, below, are all wrapped in 100%. So you don't compromise any of those. Our door handles, we wrap those door handles in just so it looks way better than somebody that's doing a kit and they trim outside and you have a line all the way around. So we just want you to have the best look. We don't want to take away from the look when you bought the car. You bought the car because of the way it looks. And we've seen plenty of paint protection film installations where there's just edges all over it, and that takes away from the look of your car. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna make it look just like the way you brought it in here, but shinier, and it's gonna come out with protection on it. So the paint protection film self-heals on scuffing, scratching, fights against the rock chips, and you never wax it the whole time you have it. It's guaranteed in writing for 10 years. We cover the installation for the life that you own the car. Moving on to the window film, that comes with a 10-year or a lifetime written guarantee. The PPF comes with a written guarantee for all the other things I mentioned. And let's show you on the tint here. When we tint our cars, all our edges are at the top. We don't leave big gaps. So we do everything we can to the best of our ability and make it look the best we can. This interiors, these go in pretty close to being flawless. I can't find any problems. We've had window film, windshield tint come back with fuzz and dirt and stuff in it. We have our own system for doing these, so they come out perfect every time. And that's about it. Also on this, we did some sill guards. So it goes from here all the way through, and then we cover these plates so that he doesn't scuff those. And there it is, folks. So 2026 Juniper Tesla Model Y, full XPEL PPF, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Contact clearbrownorthdallas.com and clearbrownorthdallas@gmail. Landline 214-414-3809 and cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent. Any questions, comments, feel free to give us a call, email, text us. We'll get back to you. Thanks for following us. Don't forget to like us, and see you soon. If you need anything, give us a shout. Take care. Have a great day.